What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back in Sandcrafts, which I still need a name from you guys. I haven't seen one. I also need a name for this area over here. What is that? Oh, fast recovery, of course. If you guys remembered, last time, like, a huge tsunami absolutely destroyed the city. Looks like we have managed to, revive the city, which is amazing. There is still a bit of traffic here and there, which I might just come around, click all of these junctions and easily get rid of them like that. It's basically just like a lot of work controlling a city. So, yeah. I did do these two. And also, I didn't really have enough time to do this thing over here. So, all I did was this, absolute thing of nonsense. So, yeah. That's yeah. Otherwise, I think we should expand in this video, because I want this highway to sort of come down this way and sort of do island skipping, because I want it to come down this way. It's then going to continue down this way, and then it's going to go straight onto the island of Saint whatever. So it's going to keep going straight, going to curve onto this island and go hit the main highway. And then it's just going to, since this area is sort of steep, quite steep actually, this is like basically the highway that's going to be there. So there's only one lane in each direction. Now actually what I'll do quickly, I'll fill in, what area should I actually fill in? I'm sort of going for like this pattern. Not a pattern, but like, come and join the conga sort of thing. I can get another square. I don't think I'll ruin the conga just yet. So I'll probably go with this square, because I know that eventually we are going to get all the tiles in the game. So, I can go with anything I want. So I think, I'm not going to destroy the conga. I might go for this one. Should I? Maybe this one, so that I can then get the highway in pretty early. Yeah, I'll do that. So, yeah, that's in. I'll just fill in, like, this area. This sort of feels like a nice... What? No. Can do a bit of German. Not really that good, though. So that's a bit bad. Anyway. So, I don't know. So, I think I'll do this area over here. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. So I've just finished building all the roads, and then I've noticed it was having like a warning, well, not warning symbol, but like there was a symbol that said new zones unlocked. And then I went and checked it out. I clicked on it, and bam, we unlocked the high density stuff in the last episode, I think. Not sure, I can't remember. It was quite a while ago, so so I feel like we should zone some in. And keeping with our original pattern here, sort of, I think we're gonna make sort of like some small commercial, like, not buffers, but like some small commercial zones for all the people. If the people want to go shop, we can add some down here have a big zone. We'll have a big zone down this way. Otherwise, we could maybe have like a small office area down in this area. Maybe this one down here as well. That means we can get rid of all this demand. And maybe sort of like a bit more. So you can sort of like squeeze in through here. So like, if I get a big zoner, I could probably zone in this whole area. Could squeeze through, zone this whole area. Get rid of those two maybe. This can be sort of like an officey zone. And then we'll sort of have more high dense zones in these areas. Which I'll also build parks in. Because who doesn't want a park? I'll get maybe big park. Well, actually, I think I'll put the big park like right here. Another one down here. Another one up this way. And then I can add like some dog parks in between. Yeah, this area is looking quite nice. Maybe even like a dog park down here. That would be quite nice. Now, all the new people that are going to move in here, they are going to be greeted with the best city they've ever seen. Because, like, look at all the commercial zones and all of the, I don't know, not industrial zones, because they don't really like it, because they have to pass by the industrial zone. Anyway, this is literally the start of the city. This is not going to be as dense as it is. This is just going to be like low level. Yes, there are some big buildings, but eventually if we get down in this area, this is going to be like super dense. And since we've got some nice flat land over here, I could maybe, continue the city maybe somewhere to the end of this boundary, maybe have some low level houses down here near the highway, have a nice beach. This could actually be a really nice touristic area. Or maybe like a coastal area down here, because it's quite flat, But also, what's going to be good for the future of the city? It's the highway. Yes? Well, no, I'm not going to expand I'm not going to expand these things down here. Not through this area, because that's going to come later. And, oh no. Why is it raining? If you guys remember in the last episode, I think I already told you this, but a tsunami hit the city and absolutely wiped out everything. So, I'm hoping that we don't get a tornado or something. I really hope we don't. Do I have to get... Here they are. Where are the buildings? Gosh, no. Where are they? Are they in here? Yeah, disaster. We can get a... No, we don't need radio. We can get an earthquake sensor. Actually, we only need like 3 of these to cover the whole city, maybe. Sort of, I think. We can continue. We can get a tsunami warning buoy. But like we need the ocean for that. We can get a weather radar. Actually, I might build a weather radar. Like down here. We can get a deep space radar. Good, it stopped raining. So, at least that's good. That's going for us. And the urbanization has started. Our population has skyrocketed from 4,000 to 5,000 in not that much time. Which is quite good, I would say, for like only a small area. Plus, like, this whole peninsula thing is also going to be high dense stuff. Also, I didn't even raise the taxes for these guys. Stop living in luxury. You don't need luxury. No, offer's too high. Yep, there you go. 12 is a good amount so that they don't complain. Yeah, we're actually making like $7,000, and $10,000 dollars are coming only from, well, 8,000 are coming from level 3 low density buildings, and 800 is coming from level 1 high density buildings, which is quite interesting if you like go look through all of these, because the most money, if you look, the place where I make the most money is actually like all the tax that I'm getting from the people, so that's good. I might actually, well, of course, I'm going to continue the highway. So I don't want it to curve. I want it to go straight through, like not the heart of the city, because that's going to be like round here. It's going to go right past it. And every piece of infrastructure in the way has to be demolished. It's the way. So then it comes down here, and I'll get back there. That sounds good. Should I go straight? Yeah, we'll make a bridge. We'll make a bridge that goes like straight, which, there you go, the angle snap. Oh, three of those, what are they called again? Tension? No, suspension. Yes, suspension. I knew that. Yeah, I actually did. Oh, but they don't line up. Oh. I actually want to do something quickly. Give me a sec, I'll be right back. This is going to be cool. I'm back. Turns out it wasn't that good of an idea, but hey, try something new every day. Anyway, while I was doing this, the city became a small city. Yeah. We didn't actually unlock a tile, sadly. We did unlock trains, monorail, and cable cars. Some new policies, a whole bunch new roads, even some train multi-platform end stations. We even unlocked hydro power plants, which is gonna get interesting. We unlocked metro, like new metro stations, elevated train stations, and that's it. And also a high capacity university, which not sure I will use that much, but the main thing is power plants, because they're gonna make a whole ton of power. Because if we go on the water, look at how fast that's flowing. Like, look, that's literally like an F1 car. So I need it somehow cleverly integrate the dams in. But should I do it? Because then if I don't do it, I can sort of have like a tour with boats that then takes you on a, on a journey. I forgot how to sort of move. Anyway, so then that can take you on a journey up the mouth of the river. So yeah, we've apparently got an abandoned building, and that is a new office building. I'm pretty sure, some of the buildings are saying not enough, not enough educated workers, because we do need a university. which I will do. I will build a university. And I also need to build another elementary school. Just build that there so that these people are sort of covered. Do we need a... No, we do not need a high school, but we do need a university. And badly. So I'll probably build it close to the highway where, you know, people coming from this also lower side of the city, where they will come using that highway. But, like, I'm pretty sure what they could use is probably pathways on the mountains. Like, to get a nice journey. Like, you know, I could start down here, have some paths coming from, like, down here maybe, coming up here. Also coming from down here, because I have a great idea for what this area could be. So yeah. This island is also gonna be a plan. It's gonna involve a plan. Otherwise, I think I should already curve this highway to get down here. So, how am I gonna do this is the question. I need to first get to the highway tab, of course. Or maybe go out by one. Then sort of have a slight angle. I need to eyeball this. This is the thing. That seems good. We'll go back, just like that. Then, we can, yeah, that fits. This island, should I put a population on it, is the question. See, since there's gonna be something special on this island, it's sort of good to have a highway going through this island. So, yeah, this highway will then, if I eventually unlock the tile, go through this island. And thing is, what should I do on this island? Or is it just like a connection point? You know, like these islands could be empty, but I want something to be on this island. So I want to sort of make my own intersection down here. That will sort of like have a highway connection to get up here. Or, if I eventually unlock more space, I could build a highway here. So, what I'm looking for, I don't know if they would have one. No, this is not it. This is also not it. What's this? No, that's definitely not it. These intersections look great, but I've never used them yet. Okay, yet. Like look at that. Look at that intersection. Like, what am I supposed to do with all these intersections if I don't use them? It's a bit of a shame, actually. So I think the best one is probably this one, because I could fit this easily. Because I couldn't fit this easily on this island, like this. And then we have an extra highway up here. Ooh, that sort of lagged because the game, you know. And I think that's actually gonna like be huge for us, because then we have another highway. We can sort of curve over the ocean and bring it up to here. But the thing is, how are people gonna get from the city to here? That's the big question. Don't know. I still have to think about that. But, you know, I think I'll do the intersection part quickly. Yeah, I'll just do it quickly. So I decided the idea here wasn't a viable option. So I think I went a bit crazy, you know? I went a bit crazy, as you could have seen with my money. Yeah. It's like I've lost like $100,000, but that's fine because now there's access to the special island through this really, really cool windmill intersection. I know, right? So that means I can just have highways going here, right off the tip of the island. Bam. That actually looks amazing. With all the bridges. Yeah. Heading to this island. I didn't unlock a new milestone. But since like we're getting into the proper city, should probably make some intersections down here to start getting rid of this one. And this one's only going to be for like industry. So yeah. This one, pretty simple. Like, it's pretty simple design. Go in the air, go over and come down. As you've seen this in multiple videos. Also, I don't like those pop-up symbols. Should I can't build here. Maybe. Well, I can't build like this, so I have to build sort of like this. Is that spot on? That. I need this, so. Hang on. Let me. Oh, I need this one, this tool. Why does that not work? Do I have to go like bam like that? What if I go a bit earlier? Oh yeah, works out. So this one, we're just going to, you know, maybe a bit earlier. I'm not sure how this stuff will all work. You know, like sometimes you just gotta get rid of stuff. So that goes there. Can't build there. And that goes for one like that. I'll just cook for a bit, okay? Let me cook. I just can't stop looking at it. It's so beautiful. Like all the pillars getting smashed by the water. The casualties that could be done when it's tsunami hits it. You know, all that stuff. I'm just looking out on the horizon if there's a tsunami coming. Yeah, I didn't make it quite beautiful, and we've only got one here, which I don't think will be enough for the growing population that we are gonna get. So I'll probably build another one in the future around this area, which will, you know, maybe take up a bit of space. It's gonna look like, I'm gonna make it sort of look like, you know, another one of these. Don't know why, just feel like it. Definitely looks quite cool. And if it will continue down this way, it will look like real cool. If I finish this and the special thing down here you probably guys know what the special thing is by now. But I want to get another tile. Yes, I want to get 8,000 people, which usually in a big map where there's not really that many ocean, this is where you get like what's it called? Where you get the high density stuff. But no, we got it literal one milestone before that. Or no, we got it at Big Town, which is only 4,000 people. That's amazing. After Big City, I think. Or no, after Grand City. Then you're a capital city and you keep getting these new areas until Megalopolis, which isn't really that far off. Anyway, I want to get a big city. So, just thinking in my head, Well, I've already thought about it, because, you know. And, yeah, these roads can literally continue. But I'm just thinking about it. If you make a 4-way point, like here, that's carnage. 3-way point like this, much better. But who cares? Like, we are American. There are too many guidelines. I can't snap onto the one I want. So I have to continue searching until I finally get it. And basically, this is going to go along the highway so it looks better. Gonna probably like come to this place. Then you can go straight in like that. That looks pretty good. Come off here because there's not really that many intersections down here. Also maybe like curve the road a little. This is actually like, you know, not that difficult, but like it's pretty difficult if I say so myself. But this area turned out quite good. Actually, I don't have Oh, of course. In the last episode, because of the tsunami, I couldn't afford anything, so I turned that off. No. Huh? No, hang on. If I go into the options and into the 81 tiles mod, I'll turn that off and turn that off. So now, this should be the reality. So these buildings, yeah, we'll all worry about water. Because I forgot. I usually turn off every single thing with the pipes. Because I feel like you can just move around much more free than, like, you know, in the reality. Well, if you have every snapping on, I feel like it's much harder to move the pipes and actually make it look like a real city. Because, like, watch, I can do these corners with ease, like, without any snapping. And it looks much better as well. So I just did that all without snapping, and I felt quite free with all my movement. Can probably do that as well to make it more realistic. Yeah, that's good. Then I can just leave that running because, like, it's all connected. Then I can have something like this maybe. Not sure. It's quite interesting to see how, like, the city will develop in the future episodes. That waterway looks quite good. Might as well connect that up and that up to make it look more realistic and light up. You don't have to do every single road, but like the more realistic ones make sense. So, time to zone this in. People want some offices, so I'll probably build them, like, I could have a little office-y center down this way, maybe. Maybe even like a long shopping center. And this whole area is also going to be shops. Get rid of those. Otherwise, we can have the rest as people. Perfect. Yeah. I feel like this is going quite well, if I say so myself. Because like the city just looks amazing, in my opinion. Like, even this area, it just looks so cuddly, as if I want to hug it. Is that weird to say? I think it is. In some places, yes, we do have four-way intersections in here, which I tried to sort of ignore, like this whole time, sort of, I guess. There's only 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. If I find another one, well, I won't count these main road ones, only like in the area. Yeah. There are only 4. I meant 3. Jeez, my brain sometimes. I'll speed up time to let this area fill in. You know. To be fair, this city's growing, like, massively. It doesn't look like much, but, like, I don't know. It just feels like it's already a big city. It's a big town. I know. We're already past that point. But, like, come on. We're nearly a big city. We are a small city, but we're soon a big city. Where we can get another tile and stuff like that. Why are you complaining about electricity? City needs more power? Oh, yeah, they do. Hydroelectric power plant time? No. No, I'm not going to. I'm not. How much power does this make? This one's way better. Perfect. I just built a oil power plant because it gives loads of power. So, yeah. Our city should be safe of power for a while. I don't know how, but this just sort of feels... If you have this view, it sort of feels like it's, you know, not like that, going from super high density to low density. But, like, if you have a view like this, it sort of looks like it spreads out, you know. Like, the whole thing, like, it just looks like high density spreads out over this whole area. But if you look the opposite way, looks quite bad. Mostly because I think the sun isn't there. The sun's somewhere over here. Hang on. Yeah, the sun's over in this area. But gosh, does the city look good. Have to admit, this is a great city. I think it's going better. Because I have a PlayStation, and I played this game on the PlayStation quite a while ago. And I had this city on the same map. Oh my god, it's a forest fire. Hey, I'm sure it's fine. So I played this map, and I've never made something that looks like this. Plus, basically, the highway ends here in a giant roundabout. So if I have the highway, it looks much better. And having an intersection in there, that sort of fits, like, with this natural terraform. I didn't terraform it, but, like, it looks natural. Like, this bend here off sort of looks natural. Anyway, guys, that was today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, please consider subscribing. That will help me out massively. Also, hit that bell so you never miss another one of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.